A very good beginning. Introduction to blueberry farming. Blueberries are not just a delicious fruit, they are a symbol of meticulous farming and dedication. Farming blueberries is more than just planting and watering. It involves understanding the land, the climate, and the needs of the plants. It's a carefully orchestrated process using both experience and technology. Modern equipment helps farmers manage large fields efficiently, ensuring each plant gets the care it needs. Farmers choose blueberry varieties carefully, picking types that will grow well in their climate and soil. Different varieties have unique characteristics from flavor to size and even the time of year they ripen. Blueberry bushes need the right balance of sun and shade to thrive. Too much sun can scorch the leaves, while too little can stunt their growth. Good soil drainage is important to prevent the roots from becoming waterlogged. Proper drainage ensures that the plants get enough water without drowning. Farmers monitor their fields closely, making sure the blueberries have the best chance to grow big and juicy. Regular inspections help catch any issues early, from pests to nutrient deficiencies, ensuring a healthy crop. Mechanical muscle harvesting blueberries with machines. Picking blueberries by hand is slow and labor-intensive. That's why many modern blueberry farms use harvesting machines. These machines are designed to be gentle on the bushes while efficiently removing the ripe berries. Harvesters typically have rotating arms or rods that vibrate the blueberry bushes. The vibrations shake loose the ripe berries, which then fall onto a conveyor belt. The conveyor belt carries the blueberries up into the machine where they are collected in large containers. Separation, anxiety, sorting and cleaning the blue bounty. The journey of a blueberry. From the field to your table is a meticulous process that ensures only the best berries make the cut. Once the blueberries are harvested, they need to be sorted and cleaned. This is where the magic happens, transforming freshly picked berries into the perfect snack or ingredient. This step is crucial to ensure that only the highest quality berries make it to the processing plant. Workers meticulously remove any debris, ensuring that each berry is pristine. Sorting machines use a variety of techniques to separate out any leaves, stems, or unripe berries. These machines are designed to handle large volumes efficiently, ensuring that the process is both fast and thorough. One common method uses rollers or belts with gaps just large enough for the blueberries to fall through, while larger debris is carried away. This ensures that only the berries make it to the next stage. Optical sorting technology can also be used to identify and remove any discolored or misshapen berries. This advanced technology uses cameras and sensors to detect imperfections, ensuring that only the best berries continue on their journey. After sorting and cleaning, the blueberries are packed and ready for shipping. Each step in this process is designed to maintain the quality and freshness of the berries, so they arrive at your table in perfect condition. Section 4. Prepping for the big time, processing and packaging. This is where the journey of our blueberries takes a significant turn. From the fields to the factory, every step is meticulously planned to ensure the highest quality. After sorting and cleaning, the blueberries are ready for processing and packaging. The cleaning process involves multiple stages to remove any impurities and ensure the berries are spotless. Depending on their intended use, the blueberries may be further processed into various products, such as juice, which involves extracting the rich, flavorful liquid from the berries. They can also be turned into jam, where the berries are cooked and sweetened to create a delicious spread or dried fruit, which involves removing the moisture to preserve the berries for longer periods. For fresh consumption, the blueberries are typically packaged into clamshells or bags. This step is crucial to maintain the freshness and quality of the berries until they reach the consumer. These containers are designed to protect the berries during transport and extend their shelf life. The packaging process is carefully monitored to ensure that each container is sealed properly. Finally, the packaged blueberries are loaded onto trucks and shipped to supermarkets and grocery stores. This marks the final leg of their journey from farm to table, ensuring that consumers receive the freshest and highest quality blueberries possible. Section 5. Beyond the berry patch. Technology's impact on blueberry farming. Technology plays a vital role in every stage of blueberry farming, from field to factory. Precision agriculture techniques such as GPS-guided tractors and sensors that monitor soil moisture help farmers optimize growing conditions and increase yields. Automated harvesting machines improve efficiency and reduce labor costs, while sophisticated sorting and cleaning systems ensure the quality of the final product. By embracing technology, blueberry farmers can meet the growing demand for this nutritious and delicious fruit. Section 6. A Berry Bright Future. The journey of blueberries from farm to factory is a testament to the ingenuity and innovation of the agricultural industry. Through the clever use of heavy machinery and cutting-edge technology, farmers and processors work together to deliver fresh, high-quality blueberries to consumers around the world. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more efficient and sustainable practices to be adopted, ensuring a berry bright future for this beloved fruit.